To get started with BMO Travel Rewards, first understand how the program works. BMO offers a range of credit cards that earn rewards points for every dollar spent, which can be redeemed for travel. The key is to choose a card that aligns with your spending habits and travel goals. Selecting the right credit card is crucial, as different cards offer varying earn rates and redemption options. For example, the BMO World Elite MasterCard earns 3 points per dollar on travel, dining, and entertainment purchases, while the BMO Cashback MasterCard earns 5% cashback on groceries. Once you have chosen your card, start earning points by using it for your daily purchases. You can also earn bonus points by taking advantage of promotional offers, such as sign-up bonuses or limited-time earn rates. To redeem your points for travel, log into your BMO account and navigate to the rewards portal. From there, you can book travel through the BMO Travel website, or redeem points for statement credits to offset travel purchases made on your card. A best practice is to redeem points for travel bookings, as this often provides the highest redemption value. For example, redeeming 25,000 points for a flight can provide a value of $250 or more, depending on the card and travel dates. Another important concept is the idea of transfer partners, which allows you to transfer your BMO points to airline or hotel loyalty programs. This can provide even more redemption options and potentially higher value, especially for frequent travelers. To maximize your rewards, make sure to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges, and take advantage of travel insurance and other benefits offered by your credit card. By following these steps and using your BMO Travel Rewards credit card strategically, you can earn and redeem points for travel and make your next trip even more rewarding.